Guys, in this video I will show you how to improve your graphics quality of any Android game. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first things you need to do is head over to your system settings app and you want to enable developer. So to do this, search for build number. And now click on build number multiple times and then developer mode will be turned on. So now head back to your settings, scroll all the way down and click on developer options. And from here, scroll down till you see hardware accelerated rendering. And now you want to turn on Force 4X MSAA. And also turn on disable HW overlays. This is the recipe to making your games look a lot better than what they currently are. And now the final step is to actually get into the games and enjoy better quality games. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.